I'm Kelly Warner. The summer vacation season is fast approaching, and many families with young children are preparing to travel. Whether you're staying at a luxury hotel or a roadside motel, you can keep your family safe by taking a few precautions. Traveling with children or grandchildren can be a lot of fun, but don't forget about safety while away from home. If you have small children, pediatrician Dr. Pilar Bradshaw says as soon as you arrive in your hotel room, get down on your child's level and do a safety sweep.
If you have little kids or cruising toddlers, get down on the floor and do the crawl through. Look for every dangerous thing at your child's eye level, because I guarantee the child will find it.
Beware of outlets, cords, and edges. Consider taking a few inexpensive electrical outlet covers with you, as well as twist ties or tape to secure electrical and drapery cords. To prevent furniture and TV tip-overs, push TVs away from the edge of their stands to make them harder for little hands to reach. Always secure the deadbolt and safety latch whenever you're inside your room, and secure balcony doors. Pack carefully and secure items that could be dangerous to your child.
Notice that in your bag you probably have some medications or sharp razors or other things that little kids rifling through your bag might get themselves into big trouble.
And Dr. Bradshaw says, don't overlook sleep safety.
So I recommend take your own portable crib. Don't count on the one that might be at the hotel, because you want to be sure that what your child is sleeping in is up to current safety standards. It's so important.
Like at home, hotel or motel bathrooms also pose water dangers, so be sure to keep that door closed to help keep your young child out. Learn more at eugenepeds.com/healthykids. I'm Kelly Warner.